अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today the lesson is about the element order of Ilm al-Jafar in the Ilm al-Naqush, in the magical square, magical triangle, magical diagrams, sexta diagrams or other diagrams, or how we select that what is the correct direction element. So I have described today it is in ancient subcontinent Barisagir, in Hinduism they say that there are 5 elements: Akash, Vayu, Agni, Prithvi, Jal. Akash, sky; Vayu, wind; Agni, fire; and Jal is water. In Arabic, Nar, Ma, and the names there are 4 elements. In Western traditions there are four elements. In Greek tradition, Greek astrology, Greek tradition, there are 4 elements. First is fire, wind, water, and earth. If you read or study the books of the Ilm al-Jafar, Ilm al-Naqush, you will find that their order, their system is made wrong. Why? Because the latest knowledge, if not matching with accurate matching with astrological knowledge, that it will be useless. Mostly spiritual tutors, experts who are doing spiritual or ritual practice and fails in their ritual performance is the reason there is not matching both knowledges, astrology and Ilmul Jafar, Ilmul Adad, Ilmul, the knowledge of letters, the knowledge of numbers. If they do not match, the result will be nil. So I have today described the right way and the magical triangles, and in other lessons inshallah I will describe the Moklats, the angels that belongs to the triangle or other diagrams, and how angels will be formed, why we are making angels, and why we are making genies and hostess during the ritual performance. And inshallah we will make these lessons in next time. So let's see. Khuda Hafiz. Magical methods, Ilmul Jafar, the books of letters and numbers knowledges. They described such a way order of elements. Fire, they said this fire, this is wind, and this is water, this is dust. But this is wrong way. This is correct. This is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. This method is wrong. The correct method is which I am describing here. It is correct. This is fire. Correct. This is wind, because fire's opposite is wind. Now start with one. Is upper side is fire and the lower side is wind. This is water. And because one is here starts from water side, and now this is wind side, and dust, earth. This is called earth. So these this system is right and old age system is wrong. So inshallah you will learn much and will be helpful in your spiritual life, in your amaliyat life. Khuda Hafiz. This is for bounding or blocking, and fire for almost for every, but in sometimes it is used for other purposes also. Shaitanirajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am describing that in the old books the scholars of knowledge of letters, knowledge of astrology have mentioned a wrong way of elements. How they kept the fire this side, and in the opposite side they kept earth, and in this side they write wind, and this side they write water. They use the magical triangles of different elements for different purposes. Fire, fire magical way they used for enmity, wind for victory, earth for bound or blocking, and water for love. But this order of elements is wrong. How? I have already described that that our our earth is round, and outer side is moon, and other outer side is Mercury, other outer side is Venus, other side is Sun, and outer side is Mars, and outer side is Jupiter, and outer side is Saturn. These all stars rotates in their own orbits. Therefore, there are seven heavens seven heavens. First, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Sun, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. And seven skies. We can say, in other words, there are seven skies and seven stars are rotates in their different orbits. Every orbit is divided into 12 equal parts. Suppose this is orbit, and this is orbit, and every orbit is divided into 12 equal parts. Every part is said zodiacal sign. Zodiacal sign. And their names of Aries, Taurus, Gemini. This is Aries. This is Aries. Starting point is Aries, and end point is Pisces. In same way, we see God rises sun from east. God rises sun from east. You think that this triangle or magical square has four sides. This is a starting point, and we call him Aries. Aries is the zodiacal sign. The star is Mars, and his sign is, his element is fire. Opposite of Aries is Libra. Libra is the seventh house. His star is Venus, and element is wind. This side, this is east. Sun rises from. And sun sets in west, and this side is west, and this side is a north side. Here is the Cancer. Star is moon. Element is water. And opposite side is Capricorn. Star is Saturn, and element is earth. This is the correct directions of any magical square, any magical triangle, any magical pentadiagrams, sextadiagrams. So you have to write this way. This is the right method I have discovered, and sitting simply we can say this is the right method. Mostly the water element magical squares are triangles used for love to treat diseases and vendors for victory.